Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to fix aim assist on Fortnite. So let's start. Alright, so the first thing is your controller needs to be plugged in before you start the game. So in this way everything is going to go smooth. Now after that, click on the menu on the upper left corner, scroll down to settings and tap on controller options. This is the controller icon with a cog. And here you notice that you will not see aim assist options. So what you can do is scroll down and go to use advanced options. You can just turn this on and you can scroll down. And now if you look at advanced sensitivity, you have aim assist strength. So you can have it down to 0, or you can have it until 50 or to 100. You can actually use this to whatever you want. After this, you can click apply and you should be good to go. So one thing to remember is that you need to keep your controller plugged in before you start the game. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.